Hello everyone, this is Haile and here is my Nephron playdoh. This one is this distal convolutor tubule, and this one is afferent arteriole, and this one is efferent arteriole, and right here is Bowman's capsule, and inside the Bowman's capsule we have glomerulus, and right here the distal convolutor tubule and ascending arterioles together, it is juxtaglomerular apparatus, and right here the indentation right here, it is juxtaglomerular cell of afferent arteriole. It's right here, indentation right here, and right here is macula densa of distal convolutor tubule, and this one is proximal convolutor tubule, and this one is descending loop of Henle, and this one is ascending loop of Henle, and this one is distal convolutor tubule, and this one is collecting duct. Thank you for listening.